Okay, I just want to recap on referencing because people are just getting a little bit confused. It might be me not going through it properly. So purposes of referencing are acknowledging other people's work, allowing the reader to locate your source material, etc. So in this sentence here, this section, Turner and Whiting 2019, we call that the citation. If we're making a quote, it's still like this as a citation, but now we've added the page number. I do it like this. There's nothing to stop you doing it like that. Okay. And then at the end, you have a list called references, and this is how it would look at the references. So it's the surname, initial, and surname, initial, 2019, the year in brackets, the title of the book in italics, who made it, and where it was made. The section in the italics, if you think about that as what you would see on a bookshelf, it'll help when we look at other methods such as journals or websites. Right, I'm going to just see whether or not that's worked, and I'll catch you later.